Hello everyone. In this episode, we will learn month on month comparison analysis by day. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So as you can see here, region column, country and customer and other columns. But in this episode, we are going to play with the sales date and the order quantity. So now let me come back to the report page, and from the Power BI visual gallery, I will add one line chart, and here I will add one slicer as well. So now from the data table, what I'm going to do, I will add a sales date on x-axis, and from here I will remove a year, quarter, month, and I will keep only day. Now on y-axis, I will say order quantity, and here I will say, just by default it is the sum of order quantity. I'll just rename it as total order quantity, order QTY. Now now you can see the day by day, and we want to compare by month as well. So I will go to the data model, and in the data model I will add a new column here from here, and my column name is, I will say, month and year, month and year, and here I will say sales date dot month and double quote dash, and I will use a table name sales as a sales date dot year. Here you can see here. Now I will accept this column, and as you can see here, so Jan 2022 and March 22, so on. And I will select this column, and I will say this is my date, and the format I need here is MMYY only. So now you can see MMYY. Now let me go back to the report page, and now I'll select this visual, and the newly added column month here, I will add it to legend. First I will add to the slicer. Okay, and I will make a slicer as a drop down. Now after that I will add month year column to this line chart visual to legend. So here you will find the legend, and I will just add a month here to legend. Now you can see the so many lines. So here the intention is that, like, if I want to compare January month with March, so you can see, let me make it category wise. So now you can see here what was the order quantity in the month of January and what was the order quantity in the month of March. You can also select, like, March, April. So you can compare each day by month. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.